student. In this video we will study about re-engineering process model from 4th unit. What is software re-engineering? It is a process of modifying the system for maintenance purpose. For example, we can change the front end design and coding and database. There are 6 activities in software re-engineering process. First one, inventory analysis. Then second one, document restructuring. Third one, reverse engineering. Fourth one, code restructuring. Fifth one, data restructuring. Sixth one, forward engineering. First one, inventory analysis. The software organization possesses the inventory of all required application. The resources can be allotted to the candidate application for re-engineering work. Second one, document restructuring. Documents are the essential parts of software project, but inappropriate approach of documentation leads to document restructuring activity. Then alternatives of document restructuring. First one, instead of having time consuming documentation, remain with weak documentation. Then second one, update poor documentation. Third one, rewrite the documents. Third one, reverse engineering. It is the process of design recovery. In reverse engineering, the data, architectural and procedural information is extracted from a source code. It creates a representation of the program at a higher level of abstraction. Fourth one, code restructuring. Code is analyzed by this activity. Sometimes the code is rewritten in modern programming language. For example, we can convert the program from Java to .NET. Fifth one, data restructuring. It is a large-scale re-engineering activity. If data structure are weak, then data are reanalyzed. Sixth one, forward engineering. It is a process in which the design information is recovered from the existing software. The overall quality of the code is improved. The important issues in reverse engineering. First one, abstraction level. This level helps to obtain the design information from the source code. Then second one, completeness level. It means detailing of abstract level. Third one, directionality level. It means extracting the information from source code. Next one, reverse engineering process. In this process, unstructured source code is restructured from refined code. Clean source code is fed to extract abstraction. In this activity, the engineers must evaluate older programs and extract information. The output of reverse engineering process is clear. The final specification obtained from unstructured source code. Difference between forward and reverse engineering. Forward engineering is a process of constructing a system. Reverse engineering, it is a process of deconstructing a system. Thank you.